Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the dreaded pool/shared ride. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So what do you do if you see this type of ride pop up on your screen? My best strategy would be to not take it at all. These types of rides are the rides that Lyft and Uber make tons of money off of. With upfront pricing, Lyft or Uber is basically paying you once, while separate passengers are paying basically the company twice. So what does that exactly mean? It means that the company is getting a 2-for-1 on your dime. This is why you shouldn't take these rides to begin with, because you're getting used and abused by the company that doesn't care about you anyways. But if you're in a suburban area, and depending on the time of day, it's probably okay to take these types of rides, because the likelihood of another pax getting added is pretty low. On the other hand, you wouldn't want to take these types of rides, say if you're in traffic and you're in an urban area like SF. That type of situation is where you're totally going to get yourself screwed. I've had rideshare streaks where I've had to pick up to 5 different parties. Safe to say I got royally screwed on that one, also considering that the first pax was the last one out. I felt really bad for her because that ride probably added 30 minutes to her destination. One good strategy though is if you want to take these types of rides, once you get the auto queue, check out where the second passenger is going, click on their name, and see where their destination is. You'd only want to take that passenger if their destination is farther than the first pax. That way you'll be paid for the extra distance instead of Lyft or Uber 2-for-1ing you. Another cool thing is if you don't like the second passenger's destination, you can actually cancel without penalty. Since you were never actually given the opportunity to accept or decline the ride, you can cancel and it won't hurt your cancel percentage. So by doing that, you're essentially giving yourself a normal ride and normal pay. Drivers, what's the craziest shared ride story you have? I'd love to hear it. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.